In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image on Freshdesk. Starting off with Freshdesk can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're specifically going to look at how you can personalize your profile by adding an image. This not only makes your account look more professional, but it also makes it easier for your colleagues to recognize you, especially in larger teams. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Freshdesk website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click login. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. After typing it in, click continue. This step is pretty straightforward and is your gateway to accessing the vast features Freshdesk has to offer. Next up, once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Freshdesk dashboard. Here's where you'll start the process of adding your image. Look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your current profile photo, or if you haven't added one yet, a default avatar icon. Click on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile Settings. This will take you to a page where you can edit various aspects of your profile. It's the central hub for personalization and adjusting your Freshdesk presence to better suit your preferences. Now, you're at the crucial step of actually adding your photo. You should see an option labeled Add Photo. Clicking on this will allow you to browse your computer for the photo you wish to upload. Take a moment to choose a photo that represents you professionally, as this will be visible to your colleagues and potentially customers depending on your Freshdesk setup. Once you've selected the perfect photo, click Open to upload it. Finally, the last step in this journey is to save your changes. You should see a Save Changes button on the same page where you uploaded your photo. Clicking this will apply the changes you've made to your profile. And voila, your profile will now display the newly uploaded image. A few tips to keep in mind while uploading your photo. Make sure the image is clear and professionally appropriate. Also, remember that the image should ideally be a headshot, as this is more recognizable and relatable. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to add an image to your Freshdesk profile. By following these steps, you'll make your Freshdesk experience more personal and visually appealing, not just to you, but to anyone who interacts with your profile. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this has been helpful and you feel more comfortable navigating Freshdesk and customizing your profile to better reflect your professional identity.